Want to hide and lock some private photos on iPhone? Don't know where to go and how to do it? Can be quite simple. Here are the steps to hide your photos using the built-in Photos app. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure to enable Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone. These Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode will be used to hide your picture on your iPhone. Step 1. Hide photos using the Photos app. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Open the photos that you want to hide. Tap three dot, tap Hide Photos. Same way, add any photos as you want to hide. Same way, add as many photos as you want to hide. After that, scroll down. Under the utility, select Hidden. Enter your passcode. This will show you your hidden photos. Now, if you ever want to recover, then you need to select the photos. Tap three dot, tap Unhide. After that, your photo will be unhide from your phone again, and it will show you from the Photos application. If you want, you can even hide the hidden option or folder from Photos apps. Then try following these. This will secure your data even deeper. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, find out Photos apps, scroll down, turn off Hidden Album. Now, if you open the photos and scroll down to Utility, you can see the hidden option is missing and not showing here. Now, to get this option back again, you need to go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Apps, find out Photos apps, scroll down, turn on Hidden Album. By following these steps, you should be able to hide photos on your iPhone easily. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.